You are about to learn what natural speakers say instead of sometimes. Let's begin. Listen.
I occasionally go out for coffee on weekends.
Pause and repeat. Listen.
From time to time, I like to read in silence.
Pause and repeat. Listen.
Every now and then, I call an old friend.
Pause and repeat. Listen.
Now and then, I feel like taking a short break.
Pause and repeat. Listen.
I go to the beach once in a while.
Pause and repeat. Listen.
Every once in a while, I try a new recipe.
Pause and repeat. Listen.
Every so often, I need a day to recharge.
Pause and repeat. Listen.
At times, I feel a bit unsure of myself.
Pause and repeat. Listen.
On occasion, I stay up later than usual.
Pause and repeat. Listen.
I do not always agree with everyone.
Pause and repeat. Now let's level this up.
I occasionally listen to music while working. From time to time, I take a walk after lunch. Every now and then, I check my old notes. Now and then, I buy myself a small treat. I visit my cousins once in a while. Every once in a while, I clean out my wardrobe. Every so often, I need a bit of quiet time. At times, life feels a little overwhelming. On occasion, I work better at night. I do not always know what to say.
Let's quickly review the phrases you learned today. Occasionally. I occasionally go out for coffee on weekends. From time to time I like to read in silence. Every now and then, I call an old friend. Now and then, I feel like taking a short break. Once in a while, I go to the beach once in a while. Every once in a while, I try a new recipe. Every so often, I need a day to recharge. At times, I feel a bit unsure of myself. On occasion, I stay up later than usual. I do not always agree with everyone. Well done. Keep practicing these alternatives, and little by little, they will start to feel natural in your speech. I'll see you in the next lesson.